Have you ever been diagnosed by a TCM doctor or acupuncturist with kidney deficiency? Do you have a slow metabolism? Do you often have urinary tract issues, fatigue, hypothyroidism, reproduction problems, or mental health conditions like apathy, irrational fears, or depression? And if your TCM doctor or acupuncturist mentions some specific foods, greens, or herbs to nourish your kidneys, but you aren't sure how to prepare, cook, or enjoy them, then this cookbook is for you. This cookbook will teach you about nourishing your kidneys and the fundamental TCM theory of having strong willpower and abundant energy. The Nourishing Your Kidneys cookbook explains why you may have kidney deficiency. It gives lifestyle and food therapy suggestions for nourishing and tonifying your kidneys, plus insights into emotional causes, and dozens of delicious nourishing recipes. Just search Dr. Evan Pinto on Amazon and the book will show up on the results page. It's that easy. Dr. Evan Pinto is a licensed acupuncturist and board-certified herbalist. He has been practicing in Shanghai, China since 2012. Along with treating patients, he is a professor at SMIC Institute of TCM in the Philippines and has also taught at Shanghai University of TCM. Kimberly Ashton is a 5 Elements wellness coach, food educator, and author who helps people achieve their health goals by integrating Western nutrition and East Asian culinary wisdom. Her focus at Chi Food Therapy is to support your journey towards better balanced life energies. Go to Amazon.com and search Dr. Evan Pinto to order your cookbooks today.